The uber popular Vajacial. If you're an esthetician, you're probably getting requests to do this service.
And if that's the case, this Vajacial kit from Prana Pharmaceuticals is le creme de la creme.
It's really nice because everything is numbered from 1 to 5, so you know exactly what you're going to be doing next. Number 1 we have is the Hoo Ha Cleanser. Keep in mind all of these products are pH balanced
and made for intimate wellness.
Number 2 we have the Pearly Polish, so you're going to be getting your first form of exfoliation. Number 3, the Fresh Peach Enzyme Mask, so that's going to be your second dose of exfoliation. Number 4 is the Buff Solution with Advanced Dermal Sensory Correction.
This is also really nice after a Brazilian wax.
Number 5 is my personal favorite. This is the Kool-Aid Calming Gel Mask.
Love it.
Smells amazing, feels so cool. You can do this mask in additional or instead of the Kool-Aid mask. This is an AHA BHA refining mask, so you're going to be getting more exfoliation from it.
Great for ingrown hairs.
If you're pairing this with a waxing service, you'd opt for the Kool-Aid mask. If you're not, then go for the AHA BHA. Sheet masks, they're heart-shaped, so they're an intimate luxury sheet mask for calming.
And anything that's going to cause irritation, this is your go-to mask.
And for your last step for moisturizing, there is the Prickly Milk Serum.
You have it, the perfect Vajacial kit for all of your intimate services.